This is my old torch, the WP26 torch. This one has a button right on top. And my new torch, a very light water-cooled torch, it hasn't got a switch on it, so I separately ordered a switch, which I can easily mount somewhere I like, in order to connect it to my welding machine. On the old one, there's this connector. You can plug it in my machine and it works. So I ordered loose plugs. They look pretty good, pretty the same size, pretty decent, except this one's male, this one's female. I'm going to try to make this female one a male one, so I can get it on my TIG welding torch. I'll dismantle this one first. Oh yeah, I can just screw this one loose. Alright, and now, oh, you can see, yeah, now they look the same. I'm not sure if this is going to work. We can try. They're no use to me as they are now, so get a tiny screwdriver in here. Yeah, there it goes. Oh, let's go. See if I can push it out. Yeah, there it goes. Alright, there we go. So, this is the female section. We'll try to get this spring out as well. The other one went pretty yeah, there we go. Smooth. Okay, see if we can, yeah, get it out. That's the male section. And this is the part holding it back. So, oh, this is going alright. This is going pretty good. Pins. There we go. That looks like a male connector. It should be a little bit deeper. Yeah, of course I need some space for the spring. No, they're not deep enough. They should go deep enough. Try to get the spring back in. I'm not sure if I'm deep enough, but we'll see if we can get the spring in. And what's in there? Does it look? Let's see if I can push him. Yeah, that's no good. I got a little pressure on the contacts and the spring just bailed. Okay, let's do some measurements. See why it's not going deep enough. It says 9.5 millimeters. And how much is this? This is 9 millimeters. Up to the edge it's 8. So when it's fully in, we ought to get a 2 millimeter clearance. That should be enough for the spring. Yeah, I'll set up the lathe and I'll turn a millimeter of this tiny piece of plastic. Let's get this tiny piece of plastic in the lathe. Let's see if we can turn some thickness off. It's tiny though. Okay, that ain't too bad. It's a bit straight. Okay, that'll do. I'll clamp it just a little bit. Okay, well, that should be fine. There we go. Okay. I managed to peel a little bit more off. We'll see what it does. Clear them from this side. Slot hold up. Okay, let's get it back in. Plenty of clearance for the spring. We got one spring left. Let's wiggle it in. Yeah, it snapped right in. Alright, so we got a male connector. Screw this one back on. Just a little bit. And we'll see if it fits on the welder. Yeah, there it goes. Okay. It's a little, no, it's not moved at all. So okay, good job.